most ways you can do it is just swallow air. I don't really know how to describe it other than swallow air. Take some practice like that, like, you know, so you're just doing that. The other way is like, the best way I can describe it is almost pretend like you're choking. Like, close up your throat. Like, and then keep breathing in. Like that. Yeah, those are the main two ways. You can also combine it, so you can pretend you're choking. There, I was swallowing air.